Haha, Bonfire Night. The place for fireworks, fires, and a whole lot of danger for the police, ambulance, people, pets, and others. I'll talk more about that after the intro. Just to clarify on who Guy Fawkes was, he was one of the failed members of a Catholic group who tried to bomb the king back in 1605. So after that he got hung, drunk, and quartered. So and that's why we celebrate Bonfire Night. Anyway, moving on. Now you may be wondering, Kyle, why don't you like Guy Fawkes Night / Bonfire Night? Well, because of the fireworks, and I'll tell you why. Most people have pets in their house, and fireworks has a big bang to it. Let me put a demonstration. What was that? Oh my god! That. And a lot of people have pets, like I was saying, and pets think fireworks are guns because guns have a loud bang and fireworks have a loud bang. Do you see the connection that is going on? That's one reason. Another reason is just because fire. You can get your hands scalded, you can get your face melted off, and other body parts too. You can get your hair, you can make yourself bald. Other stuff can happen to you. So that's reason number 2. My final reason is that it's one of the most busiest times of the year for policemen, policewomen, and doctors, nurses, ambulances. Because most people have fireworks, they use them at Bonfire Night, and usually it goes horribly wrong. Somebody's eyes get gouged out by a firework, somebody walks into a fire, somebody's head gets exploded by a firework, you know, all that stuff. And police and ambulances have to be there to save them. But with so many things going on, it's like there's, let's see, how do I put this? So there's a family who has fireworks here, and another family here, and where my head is in the is like the hospital / ambulance, right? And so this family gets injured, and so the ambulance has to go to the family and help them. And after that, this bit needs saving too. So the ambulance needs to go back to the hospital with this family, and then come back for this family, and so on and so forth. Confusing, I know, but it's heartbreaking to see how many lives lost in Bonfire Night. Yeah. So, what are my tips for Bonfire Night? Number 1, stay in. Number 2, go to an organised display for fireworks or bonfires. Step 3, or reason 3 if you rather. If you have a pet, stay indoors. And number 4, if you do get injured, call the ambulance, even though they'll probably be busy. Anyway, that is my thoughts on Bonfire Night / Guy Fawkes Night. If you want to leave a comment down below, then you can. If you want to subscribe, you can. But I wouldn't recommend it because this is probably what I'm going to post from now on. But till next time, so long.